welcome back to my channel. We are continuing my decluttering makeup series here, so if you want to see more decluttering videos, then please keep watching. Okay everyone, we are doing eyeliners and pencil liners and cream jumbo shadow stick liners, everything in between that kind of category we're going to be covering today. I have a whole bunch of these. I'm going to try to like go through this quickly because there's just way too many in here, and we're going to try to narrow this down a bit. Okay, we have a whole bunch of things in here. I am going to just quickly kind of categorize these and put like items together. Okay, I have kind of got these in some semblance of an organization. So I think I want to start off, let's just do like the jumbo eye pencils. I feel like those are going to be easier to do just because I don't have as many of those. So starting off, let's just start over here. I have, this is a Sephora collection product. This is called the Smoky Coal Eyeliner, but this one's in the color, I don't see the color name on here. This is kind of a weird product. I don't know why I got this. I think it was like on sale and I was like, ooh, I want that. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like those Kajal eyeliners, but this is like a lavender kind of color. It's pretty. I don't know what I would do with this. I don't know why I have this. I think this is just something I can let go. It would be pretty for like an inner like tear duct kind of highlight, but it's really not that shimmery. And I don't know. I just feel like I can let this go. I've had this for so long and haven't used it. I'm just done with it. Okay, moving on. I have this eyeshadow. It's called Shadow and Liner Herbal Crayon. This is from the brand Palladio, and this is called Black Pearl. This is just kind of like a black chubby eyeliner. I don't really know if I need this, just because I have another one that I feel like I'm probably gonna keep, so I think I'll just let that one go, and it's not the darkest. It has a little bit of like a sheen to it. It's more of like a gray black. I don't know, I just don't really have much to say about that one, so we'll just let it go. These I think I do want to keep because these are like some of my favorites. These are old though. So these are the NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencils. I feel like these were like the OG, like big chubby stick pencil eyeshadow sticks. This one's of course Black Bean. This one, let me see compared, okay. Compared to that last one, that one's much blacker in my opinion. The only thing is this does have a little bit more of like a glossier shine to it, so you really kind of have to like smudge it out to kind of keep it from creasing as much. So I do want to keep that one though because it is very, very black. All right, the next one I have is of course NYX Milk. This one is like falling apart, but this one's still going strong. It's just a white cream shadow. I definitely want to keep that one. And then the last one I have is called French Fries. This one's like a bronzy shimmer. It's just a really pretty color, and yeah, I want to keep those. These are OGs for the reason, but I hate that like all the lids of these are cracked, but these are so old and they're still going strong, so yeah, I want to keep all those. Okay, these are two newer ones that I've gotten. These were $1. I believe I got them at Shop Miss A. These are the AOA Studio XL Long Lasting Shadow Pencils. These are two different colors, but they look so similar. The first one I have here is called Shimmer Disco, and this one's called Shimmer Noir. So if I like swatch the two of these, like they are very similar colors. And I really don't think I need to keep both of them. I think if I was gonna keep one, I might keep the deeper one, which was the Shimmer Disco. But to be honest, I kind of don't like either of those as much as I like the one from NYX, the French Fries color. So I think I'm just gonna let both of these go. They're relatively new. Someone might like them more than me, so we're just gonna let those go. And they were like $1, so I'm not that heartbroken over those. This is a really pretty one. This one I think I also got for $1 from Shop Miss A. This is the LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil. And this one's in the color Desert Sun. This one is like really pretty. It's kind of like this goldeny olive color. Very unique. I don't have anything else quite like it, so I do want to keep that one just because it is so unique. Next I have the e.l.f. No Budge eyeshadow. This one was their mint collection. This one's called Mint for You. I really haven't used this one too much, but I love mint. This one's more of like a duller mint, but I don't mind it. I think it's really pretty, so I think I do want to keep that one. And then I have this one from Trestique. This is actually a mini highlight stick. It's called Maldives Luminescence. I got this from BoxyCharm. This one is like like I said, it's actually for like highlighter, but I feel like this would just be a really pretty inner corner highlight type of stick, and it's just very smooth and creamy. I don't know if I'd use this as like an actual eyeshadow, but inner corner would be really pretty, so I think I want to keep that one as well. Okay, these I'm kind of like torn on because I've had these for a while, and I remember like I spent some money on these and I liked them. These are the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Shadow Pencils. This first one is a blue color. This one's called Clash. This one's like so pretty. Do I ever wear blue eyeshadow though? No, but do I still want to keep this? Yes. And again, it's kind of like one of those things where it's like I want to either keep all of them or get rid of all of them. So it's kind of hard for me to decide. This one is called Delinquent. It's like a dark purple color with some little micro shimmers in there. I feel like if I was gonna let one go, it would be this one. So I don't know. This one though is called Sin. This one's like a really pretty one. Again, this one is like a just like an everyday like shimmery champagne kind of color. I do think I want to keep that one. And then these two are very similar, but I also want to keep these. This first one's called Juju. It's just kind of like a taupey kind of gray color. Again, similar to the French fry color, but I feel like this one's a little bit more not as saturated, not as bronzy as that one. It's a little more neutral, a little more taupey. And then this one is called Rehab. I believe this one's just like a darker version. It is. Honestly, I think I do just want to get rid of the purple one. These three I know I would get use out of just because they are more neutral colors. The blue's a little bit of a wild card, but I kind of like just love that color. I don't want to let go of it. I can let the purple go though, so even though I'm kind of like, I don't know, going against my own rule of like keep them all or get rid of them all, I think I want to keep these. We'll get rid of that one. Okay, so that is all of the like jumbo pencils. Now I just have all of these eyeliners here that I need to address. I have quite a few of these. I'm gonna keep these three. These are from Shein. These were from their Chromazone collection. These are like their duochrome, multi-chrome like eyeliners. These are so cool. I do have to say that like on the eye, you don't really like see that duochrominess as much, but they are very pretty. So I have like three different colors here. I have Zenith. This one is called Subliminal. This one's really pretty too. I love just like how these look, and these were so affordable. And then the last one I have is called Vertigo. Yeah, so those are just so pretty. Like I said, you don't really see much of the like duochrominess like when they're actually on your eye as you do like when they're swatched. But these are relatively new. I do want to keep these, and these are actually like really, really cool products. This one I really think I can let go. This was a BoxyCharm product I did not like. This is from the brand Jaunt Blue. It's called the Long Lasting Intense Black Color Update Your Eyes. It's a glimmering star eyeliner pencil. This is just one of those pencil liners. It's like a black with like glitter through it, which I'm not a huge fan of. I don't know. I think I'll let that one go. I just wasn't too impressed with that. And then this one is from, I think, another BoxyCharm product. This is from Appeal. It's called the Gel Eyeliner in Desert Taupe. It's a brown color. I don't really wear brown eyeliners too much, but I kind of want to keep it for the off chance that I do want a brown eyeliner. Yeah, I don't know. It is creamy. I do like the texture of it. It's not like hard to apply or anything, so I think I'll keep that one. This is like an oldie but a goodie. This one was from Rimmel London. This was like their, what do they call it? Like, I don't know, Scandalize or something. Waterproof eyeliner. This one is in the color Nude. This one's a little dirty. And this one's actually like starting to dry up. I know I could probably sharpen this one down a bit and like kind of get that, that like old dried layer off of there. I think I do want to keep that one because I don't have too many nude eyeliners. This actually might be the only one I have, so I'm okay with keeping one of them. Okay, some more little random ones I've got. This one was a BoxyCharm. This one's from the brand Starlux. It's called the Black Ultra Luxe Longwear Eyeliner. Let's see what this one's like. Okay, this one's very like hard and dry. That would be so painful on the eye, so I'm gonna let that one go. Don't even want it. This is a Marc Jacobs eyeliner. I think this was like a birthday gift from Sephora or like a little Point Park or something. Let me see about this one. This one, ooh, ow. That one is extremely scratchy. No thank you. You're going away. Okay, I have another BoxyCharm. This is again another one from Jaunt Blue. This one is their dark brown eyeliner. Again, I don't really wear brown eyeliners, but I'm thinking like maybe I could use this as like an eyebrow pencil. Maybe. I'm always trying to think of like how can I use a product that I don't like in another way that would be useful to me. So I don't know. Maybe I'll use it as an eyebrow product. And this next one was sent to me in PR from Yes Style. This is from the brand Fixie. It's called the Slim Waterproof Eyeliner. This one was another deep brown color, but again, I think I also kept this one because I thought it'd be good for like my eyebrows. Yeah, and it's so like smooth and creamy. I do like it for that. I will keep it. I will move these two to my eyebrow pencil area though, because I feel like that's how I would use these. Okay, some more little rando ones. This was another BoxyCharm product. This is from Bodyography, and it's an eye pencil in the color Emerald. I want to see what this color looks like and how smooth it is. Okay, this one is a pretty color. I don't know though. I kind of want to put that in maybe because it is a really pretty color. And I kind of want to get back into wearing eyeliner. I haven't worn it in like years. Now I'm on the fence because it's kind of similar to like one of these colors up here. I'm going to put that to the side and we're going to think about that one. Okay, this is another little random one. This is from Stila. This is the Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in the color Mint Julep. Let me see if this one's still good. Ooh, that one is very creamy. It's very similar to that eyeshadow pencil, but this would be like cute to use together, so I do think I want to keep that one. I am doing horrible at decluttering in this video. I am so sorry. Okay, this is actually a liquid eyeliner, so this is in the wrong category. So I'm gonna put this with the rest of my eyeliners, but this one is like a black little eyeliner pencil, so we're gonna move that to the other category it's supposed to go to. And again, this is another product in the wrong item. This was a mini of the Kat Von D Everlasting eyeliner. Is that what it was called? I don't know. This was the brown one. I actually liked using this for like creating like faux freckles and stuff. This one's kind of drying out, but again, in the wrong category. Okay, now we're kind of like down to the bottom. I've been kind of neglecting some of these, but we're gonna try to eliminate some of these. Maybe, maybe not. I might keep a lot of them. These are from ColourPop. I have a few different colors here. These are all of their like cream gel eyeliners. This one is in the color Teaspoon. It's a really pretty like huntery green kind of color, which I don't have like anything else like that. So I do want to keep that one just kind of like for the offhand. It would be so fun to do like a colorful eyeliner look. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get rid of any of these. This one is in the color Prance. It's like this really pretty like powdery sky blue. Again, so unique. Don't have anything like it. This one's in the color Show Me. This one's like a really pretty like copper, and it like is like melted gold gorgeous. I think that one has to stay. And again, this is the ColourPop in Dirty Talk. This one is very like shimmery too, like just stunning colors. ColourPop really knows how to do like eyeliners so well. So sorry, not getting rid of those. Okay, now I'm on to my last two categories. These are all from Ulta here. These are kind of like their version of the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On liners. I did a whole video swatching all of these, showing all the colors, picking out like different dupes that I had from the two brands. To be honest, I don't know if I'll be able to get rid of any of these because I do like all of these. Let me swatch all of the Urban Decay real quick just to make sure there's none that are like dried out or like going bad. I doubt it because these are like very like good and creamy, so honestly I don't know if I'll be able to get rid of any of these. Yeah, I can't help it. I really like all of these. I spent money on these too. A lot of these are still like so smooth, except for that one. This one is dried out. I think I'll let that one go. This one's in the color 1999. That one's just a little too dry for me. And this last one is a very gorgeous color. This one is called Deviant. It's like such a pretty like royal blue color. And honestly, I think all of these are gonna stay too. These were so good. I won't swatch all of these, but like these are so smooth and creamy. They glide on just like the Urban Decay ones. I feel like these are such a good, like they are a beautiful formula. Honestly, if they still sell these, I'm not sure if they do or not, but if they do, these are awesome and I would highly recommend these. And their metallics are really good too. They're like really shiny, a lot like the ColourPop ones. Yeah, so those are gorgeous. I'm sorry, I'm not getting rid of these. They're all staying. Okay guys, I did horrible on decluttering this one. We're getting rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're only getting rid of 9. I know, I could have done way better, but honestly, I do like a lot of these. I'm not gonna get rid of them just for the sake of getting rid of them. So we were only able to get rid of 9. And I'm not even gonna bother counting how many I'm keeping because it's ridiculous and I don't wanna know. That's all right with me. All these gorgeous colors, they're still good. A lot of them are still like just as creamy as the day I got them. So they're just not ready to go yet. So that is it for this declutter video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. Link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later.